As we went underground, it struck me that my city was now a foreign and hostile place. I felt safe here, in the darkness of the metro. More so when Bourbon claimed to have friends at Dry Station.
Listen carefully. The bandits control this station. We need to move quietly and take a look around. If we don't see my friends, we get the hell out of here. I remember this crate. Let's just... Shit, I can't fit. Okay, you just stay here. First in, we're good.
Hold it! Who are you? Hey, give me some light! Oh, ha, ha. Who do we have here? It's Bourbon the Huckster.
Look who's talking. Take me to your boss. I have business with him.
The boss? But of course! Then to the boss it is! Where else would you like to go, huh?
Okay, that's enough. Or else we'll have to drag him.
Move it. We'll finish this later.
Move it!
That's some rotten luck.
My money's running around! Come on!
See if he's forgetting something. I don't see his stuff around.
Yeah, there's nothing but the rats here.
Okay, let's go then.
Unlikely bullshit.
What the hell's your problem?
Badger told me not to eat this shit, and I did anyway.
Unlikely over.
You moron.
So I'm a moron. Pain's killing me. Shit, I'll be right back.
Hold on to your pants! Can't believe it. Where did he get the balls?
That asshole Bourbon thought he'd just have a drink with the boss and everything's cool. Well, if it was the old boss, maybe.
No shit. The new pops has a real grudge against Bourbon. I'll be surprised if that lying drunk lives till morning.
Would the new pops torture the guy?
He might, but that's a lot of effort. Probably just shoot him in the head.
Good riddance, I say.
Spade says he almost ran straight into a platoon of rangers in the far towers.
Who's there? What?
Who's there?
What did you bring with you, bastard? Answer, сука, or I will shot you! What? Who is it? Who is it? One night! Hypocrite Bourbon who?
Artyom!
Who the fuck?
You can keep your weapon down, young man. A sad, not unexpected finale for the likes of him. My name is Khan. Well, I suggest that we leave this place immediately. The companions of these bandits will show up soon enough, and I'd prefer to avoid more bloodshed. I'm going back to Cursed. This station's humidity is making me rheumatic. If you'd rather share your friend's fate, then by all means, stay. A wise decision.